my name is Teacher Mana and I am K3 teacher. Today we talk about our math book. Everyone is ready? Alright, come with me. Today we learn about our page number 19 and let's fit the wooden blocks together. Draw lines to complete the picture and color the pictures. First, you see here giving the many shapes and you draw line and complete these pictures, and after you color the picture. First one is here a cube and here is a rectangle and a circle and a cone and a cylinder. Next one is color the picture. Bring the different color and color this picture like this. And next one is, what can I do? Color the three-dimensional geometrical figures as the given pictures. Here is make a picture and here is giving the options and which shapes are combined to form this picture. So what can we do? Choose these three-dimensional geometrical figure and color them. So first one, look at this one. Start from here. Use a cone shape. So do the color in cone. Next one is use, look at this one, use a cylinder. So color in the cylinder. Next one is use a cube. So color the cube. Look at your second one. Here is giving also a second picture and which three-dimensional geometrical figure is combined and to form this shape. So let's start from this one. Here is you see also a cone shape. So color the cone. Next one is a cylinder. So color the cylinder. Next one is, here is rectangle. So color the rectangle. Now let's move our last picture. Do you see this picture and choose in these shapes which three-dimensional geometrical figure is combined and form is this one. So first one is also a rectangle. In the base, this picture is rectangle and a cube and a circle. That's all, kids. Today we learn about our page number is 20. Are there any geometrical figures? What can we do? Draw and color the matching pictures like the example. Here is giving the example, many pictures, and you find out which shape is this. So first one is giving a flag and this shape is triangle. Clock is circle and next one is a lady purse. This one is a rectangle. Now next one, here is also giving the three shapes and first one is like a circle. Next one is like a square. Third one is like a triangle. So draw here. And after that, what can we do? We do the different color in this shape. Like I do the blue color in the circle yellow color in the square and the purple color in the triangle. Next one, look at here, also giving the three pictures. Here is a map and calendar, and this one is lollipop. And find out which shape is matching this picture. First one is like a square, so draw a square here. Second one is calendar, look like a rectangle. Third one is a lollipop, and this shape like a circle. So draw this one, and after you do the color in this picture, I do the yellow color in the square and the purple color in the rectangle and the blue color in the circle. Next one, last one here is giving also three pictures. First one is a donut, and this one is envelope, and third one is walking sign. So find out which shape is matching these pictures. First one is also a circle. Second one is a rectangle. And third is a triangle. After you draw this one, you bring the color and do in this picture like this. That's all, kid. I hope you enjoy and understand your lesson. Goodbye, everyone.